Hello, good morning. Once again, please welcome to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo. This time we will be docking Talisay Port, Cebu. This is where we are now here, and we will be docking here, south of Talisay Port. This time my teammates are, this is my shipmate. This is my handsome helmsman. That is my senior cadet. I will show you in deck this. So we are here. 20 muna tayo, chip. 20. It's 20. We are here, yeah, and then we will be docking this side here. So where is my junior cadet? Huh? Where is the junior cadet? Continue. Minus 2-0.
Minus 2-0. Minus 2-0.
Zero na lang narinig ko. Ay, zero, okay.
Stop engine. Stop engine. Stop engine. Total stop for bow.
4-0.
Total stop for bow, sir.
3-0.
Total stop for bow. Minus 3-0. Minus 3-0, sir. Stop engine. Stop engine.
1-5-0. Bakit may 0 pa?
Minus 3-0.
Lapit na, 10 meters na.
Minus 3-0.
Stop engine.
Stop engine.
Stop engine.
Stop engine, sir. Total stop for bow.
Other than sir. Very good.
0 pitch, total stop for sir.
Other than sir. Passing, very good. 1-5-0 na naman.
1-5 sir.
Huwag mo dagdagan ng 0.
0 pitch and total stop for bow.
Last 10.
Last 10.
Last 2-0.
Last 2-0. Last 2-0. Bow to starboard.
Is 5. Is 5.
Last 2-0, sir. Plus 2-0 to starboard bow, sir.
Plus 3-0.
Plus 3-0.
Bawal to starboard.
Bow 1 to starboard.
lipat po sir. Why aircon may pasuyo why? Aircon. Aircon why aircon.
Zero pitch.
B5 now sir.
Zero pitch.
Head shift.
To starboard bow. Zero pitch.
Head shift now sir.
Minus 10.
Hard starboard.
Hard starboard.
Minus 10 sir. 2 to the starboard bow.
Minus 20.
Hard starboard now sir.
Minus 20. 2 to the starboard bow.
Minus 30.
Minus 30.
Pakibok ka mo lang ko. Titig lang. Tisa, titig lang.
Minus 30. 2 to the starboard bow.
Still hand hard starboard sir.
Minus 30. 2 to the starboard bow.
Speed.
Speed. Speed 0.4 sir.
60. Minus 30 sir. 2 to the starboard bow.
Speed 0.3 sir.
Oras, anong Victor?
Victor. Victor.
Ganda kayo na.
Still hand hard starboard sir. Pasuya. Pasuyo. Why? Akin dito ka why? Ito. Video mo why?
Minus 30. 2 to the starboard bow.
Okay, thank you.
Minus 30. 2 to the starboard bow.
Very good, very good.
Victor, 5 o'clock. Why? 5 o'clock Victor.
Turuan mo siya ha. Midship.
Midship. Midship now sir. Why? Record mo ba? Victor ha.
Distansya, ano na, distansya.
Victor, 5 o'clock. Victor, 5 o'clock.
Minus 30. 2 to the starboard bow.
Victor, 6 sir.
Okay, very good.
Bow. Minus 30. Minus 40.
Victor, 7 sir.
Minus 40. Stop bow.
Hard starboard.
Hard starboard. Hard starboard now sir.
Bawat motor.
Bow 1 to 4. Bow 1 to 4.
Victor, 7 o'clock sir.
0. Bow 1 to 4. Minus 40. 2 to 4 bow. 2 to 4 bow.
Victor, 6 o'clock sir.
Midship.
Midship. Midship now sir.
1 to 4 bow.
Victor, 7 o'clock sir.
1 to 4 bow, sir. Minus 40.
Victor, 6 o'clock, sir.
Speed 1.4.
Speed 1.1, sir.
1 to starboard bumper.
Victor, 7 o'clock, sir.
Stop over, minimum bumper.
Speed 1.1, sir. Hardboard.
1 to starboard bow.
Still on hardboard, sir.
Top bow. Minimum outboard bow.
Victor, 7 o'clock, sir.
Top bow.
Speed 1.1, sir.
Minimum outboard sir.
Still on hardboard, sir.
Top bow.
Victor, 7 o'clock, sir. Speed 1.4,
Minimum
sir.
after sir. 1 point.
1.1, sir.
Bounce after, bounce up. 1 to starboard.
Victor, 7 o'clock, sir.
1 to starboard. Minimum after.
Speed 1.4, sir. Victor, 7 o'clock, sir.
1 to starboard. Stop bow.
Speed 1.4, sir. Still on hardboard, sir. Victor, 7 o'clock, sir.
Stop bow.
Speed 1.4, sir.
Headship.
Headship. Headship now, sir.
Stop bow. 0 pitch. Bow 1 to 4. Bow 1 to 4.
Victor, 7 o'clock, sir. Hard to starboard.
Bow 1 to 4. 0 pitch.
Hard to starboard now, sir.
Bow 1 to 4. 0 pitch.
Victor, 7 o'clock, sir. Speed 1.3, sir.
Bow 1 to 4. 0 pitch.
Victor, 7 o'clock, sir.
Stop bow. Stop bow 0 pitch.
Still on hard starboard, sir.
Stop bow 0 pitch.
Victor, 7 o'clock, sir. Speed 1.3, sir.
Stop bow 0 pitch.
Speed 1.3, sir. Victor, 7 o'clock, sir.
Stop bow 0 pitch.
Speed 1.2, sir. Still on hard starboard, sir.
Stop bow 0 pitch.
Victor, 7 o'clock, sir. Speed 1.2, sir.
P5.
P5.
Yung tao na yun.
P5 now, sir.
Tao. Captain kayo. P5 ba? P5.
P5. Still on P5, sir.
Captain kayo. Stop bow.
Victor, 7 o'clock, sir. Speed 1.1, sir. Still on P5, sir.
Bow 1 to starboard.
Victor, 7 o'clock, sir.
Bow 1 to starboard kayo. Plus 0.
Speed 0.9, sir.
Plus 10. Plus 10 sir. 1 to starboard bow.
Victor, 6 o'clock, sir. Still on P5, sir.
Plus 10. 1 to starboard bow.
Speed 0.8, sir.
Plus 5.
Bullard.
7 o'clock, sir. Bullard number 5. Tinuro. Pupa.
Last 5. 1 to double bow.
Last 2-0.
Last 2-0.
Stop bow, stop bow.
Stop bow. Last 2-0. Stop bow.
Speed 0.8, sir.
Buka mo ako, Alondra, buka kaunti, buka.
Last 2-0. Stop bow.
Victor, 7 o'clock, sir.
B5.
B5. Still on B5, sir.
Last 2-0. Stop bow.
Bow. Zero bid.
Speed 0.7, sir.
Stop bow.
Alondra, kaka.
B5, sir.
Why? First line na why?
Stop bow.
Thank you.
Why?
Victor, 5 o'clock, sir.
First line.
0 feet. Stop bow.
Speed 0.5, sir.
Headship.
Headship.
Edgy. Stop bow.
Headship now, sir.
First line mo, ano first line mo?
Fish 5.
Is 5.
Last 10.
Last 10.
Is 5 now, sir.
Last 10, sir. Stop bow.
Victor, 5
Ilang
o'clock,
meters
sir.
pa? Payo 3. Ilang meters pa? Papunta sa 5.
Speed
Last
0.4, sir.
10. Stop bow.
Ilang meters pa? Papunta 5. Payo 3. Sige, abim na. Okay.
Last 10. Stop bow.
1 equal
Victor,
to.
7 o'clock,
1 to
sir.
4 bow.
Still on is 5, sir.
Headship.
Headship.
1 to 4 bow. Last 10.
Headship now, sir.
2 to 4.
2 to 4.
Victor.
2 to 4 bow. Last 10.
Speed 0.2, sir.
Stop engine, sir. 2
Victor,
to
8
4
o'clock.
bow.
There's still on midship, sir.
B5.
B5.
Stop. 2 to 4 bow.
B5 now, sir.
1 to 4 bow. 1 to 4 bow.
Victor, 8 o'clock.
Bow.
Stop bow. Stop bow, sir.
Speed 0.1, sir.
Okay na yan, Victor. Okay na yan.
Engine stop.
Last 3.
Last 3. Last 3.
1 to start.
1 to starboard. 1 to starboard, bow, sir.
Fish 5.
S5.
Is 5.
finish with engine.
Finish with engine.
3.6. Chip, 3.6. Lipat mo muna yung power ng bow truss ha, bago patayin ha. Bow truss, lipat mo muna dyan.
So, tawagan mo yung engine. Engine. Finish with engine. About thrust. 12.36. Sir.
That was our final maneuver, yeah. From Disney, we go there, and we go here. Bird for Alpha. This is bird 1 and bird 2. Here, the other side. Like this, share. Like this, yeah. From this channel, we go there. Bird 2 here, and this is bird 4 of this new port. Not yet included in the, not yet updated on the this. Okay, so once again, please welcome to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.